Uncle coffee in there. I was to go, and it's stuck. I go, and Uncle's watching.
I'm scared of that. He's got the camera.
What?
The bathroom. I think. Okay, we're ready for breakfast. Chauncey, where's the ham, Chauncey? He took his ham home.
It's in the freezer, Uncle.
My house clean? Everything. No, of course not. I'm gonna go bathroom.
Now there's a magical reading course on cassette called Hooked on Phonics, which makes learning to read simple and easy because Hooked on Phonics is set to music.
Excuse me, sir?
This way kids learn phonics quickly, pluck at sounds, and when they master phonics, they can read and spell almost
Don't you have enough? You got enough to write in here, don't you, Lee?
No, start.
No?
We tried it already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Call 1-800-ABCD.
This ain't
How about yours, Ray?
That's 1-800.
All right, super.
Year-end parties, it's tough to jump back into the work routine. So I got a plan. When you're out covering your
Swish.
territory or selling that route from town to town, come see us at Motel 6 and start weaning yourself from the...
You could tell on yours it's too much.
Clearance tomorrow, New Year's Day from noon to 5. If you forgot today, you still have 5 hours left tomorrow to
Point it right at it.
Red Tag Savings at
Oh,
Valley
probably sees the eye because it's
Clothing for outerwear for mom, dad, and the kids. Sports
I see
sweaters
you.
for men and women was already priced at 25 to 40% off. Now from noon to 5, New Year's Day only. The red tags at JCPenney tell you where to take off. 25%.
Kurt,
Try us. I got scratch.
turn a little bit to your left. There you go.
See my tree, Dad.
hello.
Hello, Leo.
Look at them bulbs. What they were doing.
Hello.
Oh.
Hey, Leo, shoot into my lens. I'll shoot into your lens. See what do we get. No, don't walk into me. Just zoom in.
Oh, zoom in.
Yeah.
Look at what I did. Look at Jane. It's gone now.
I wonder what we got.
This my
Ah,
picture. What? What is? Look at what happened. What is this, Leo?
What they break the mirror? Who broke it?
My granddaughter a long time ago. And right now I pulled it and it came apart. She's gonna blame Amber now. Throw it away, baby. I'll buy one tomorrow for myself. They don't know what they're filming. They don't know what they're filming. They're just filming. They're filming what's left. What's left? That's my makeup here.
don't throw it away.
A beard trimmer for Christmas, and he stood there playing,
Oh, this is
doing it
what?
real easy.
This is the
He got too close to it.
What did he do?
Got too close to his beard, took off half of his beard, so he just
Big. Oh, I wanted to magnify.
Just before we kick off in
Okay, Jane, wave to your cousins.
Wait, to who?
All her cousins.
wait a minute, where's Sean?
Where's the
Sean?
cousins? I don't see no cousins. I don't see no cousins, Raymond. There he goes again.
Wave to your nephews.
Water ain't
Yeah, he's been drinking
Wait
our
till you-
Ohio water.
Wave to your nephews and nieces. Flo.
That means you, Mom.
Bet, come and wave to your cousins, Bet. Babette. Here, baby. Jimbo.
Jimbo!
Yeah, Jimbo.
I thought you were going to bed, Jimbo.
And Jojo. What is Chrissy Mateo?
Madonna.
Madonna. Avila, Madonna, Avila. You should see her imitate. It cost 2 cents more, Leo said he couldn't afford it.
They'll make some noise and make.
Where's the noise makers, Leo?
Huh?
Where's the noise makers?
I thought they were noisemakers.
We bought a horn.
No.
We bought horns. Look in the bag. Just get
No,
some
we
pots and pans. Get some pots and pans, Jane. Did you put the horns back?
Were they over $1?
Raymond was a good baby. Yeah, he was. Even as he was growing older. And he never had terrible tooth. He never had no terrible, no nothing.
Huh?
Terrible, no days, Ray. But Leo had terrible 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jimmy too. They was born. That kid, I thought he did was Mom. Yeah, remember? By Leo. Nothing.
Her stuff.
You see Amber dancing. Yeah? Oh.
How does Amber dance, Flo?
Huh?
How does she dance?
You want me to get up and show you? She go here? And Justin too, you know who kids. I like that though. Wait, how do you say it, Leo?
What? Clogging.
Clogging. Leo knows how to clog.
Yeah.
Leo
Leo knows how to clog.
Yeah.
Good.
He's good.
We was in Kentucky.
that.
They had
they don't
some kind of
clog.
show. And we went to go see him.
Alright, 20 seconds! 15 seconds!
Hey, come on.
Dad, come on, 10 seconds!
Where's our drink?
Where's our drink, Leo? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, Leo, you blew it.
Where's our drink?
Happy New Year!
You blew it.
How you get it? Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year.
Yes, you did.
Happy New Year, Flo.
Happy New Year. Again.
Just go on the camera. Happy New Year.
I didn't get
Happy New Year, Jane. Come on the camera. Sean, Happy New Year, Sean. Come on the camera. Come on the camera.
No, we're supposed to have the camera.
Wait. Where's our drink? Which is what? We're here. Wait a minute. These are ours or what? This is
Now we get to watch ourselves act stupid.
Leo. Which one? Which is Andy Dad's?
Take him off.
Leo's which? Here. Take the dog. Leo. Take the dog. Take the dog.
Get the dog. Get the dog.
I'm going to bed.
Here, Jane. Here, Jane. Give the bat.
Leo, my brother says hi.
Get the dog.
Huh?
Come here.
Wait, here. Okay, this is yours.
Say hi, Bet.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah. This is James.
Look.
There. This is yours. Okay. This is yours.
Aw, she looks cute with that. Better than us.
Get over there.
Picture of the dog.
Yeah. This is
Right.
yours. John, come on. Let's get over here. Ready? There we go. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And many more.
Happy New Year.
Here we go.
That's
Got
good gift for
another.
you. God one more, yeah. Another year get together. What do you have? What kind do you have?
What do you have? What do I have?
That's what they're drinking.
Oh, you
Plain. No, I didn't. I don't like them.
What is this?
You don't know what this is.
I don't think this is plain.
Smile.
This smells.
No, that's
That's plain. That's mine too. Look at plain.
plain.
That's the way it smells.
Taste it.
That's the way it smells, but it's plain.
It's plain.